Just a 20-minute drive from Melbourne's CBD, Williamstown offers the perfect escape. With its historic pier, stunning waterfront views, and charming streetscapes, this suburb is packed with history and culture. Explore the main strip, lined with heritage-listed buildings like Osborne House, an elegant mansion from 1859, and the historic Blunt Boatbuilders site, which reflects Williamstown's maritime roots. Stop by one of the many cafés or restaurants housed in these timeless structures and enjoy a mix of history and hospitality. Down by the waterfront, step into the past with a visit to the HMAS Castlemaine, a World War II ship that is now a floating museum. Nearby, the Timeball Tower, one of Victoria's oldest structures, stands as a reminder of Williamstown's role in maritime navigation. Don't miss the jetty and boathouses, where the maritime spirit of this suburb comes alive. Now, for TV fans, the local school from the beloved 90s series, Around the Twist, is a must-see. Have you ever felt like this? You know what I'm talking about. Just a short walk away, relax at Williamstown Beach, making this suburb an excellent spot for an afternoon adventure. Now, with its historic landmarks, vibrant waterfront, and close proximity to Melbourne, Williamstown is a great day out for the family or visiting tourists. Anyway, if you found this helpful, please hit that like and subscribe button. Keep on adventuring.
Yep.